Today's update on the Shed Kit cabin. I got all the wood cut up and I've started to just put things together to see what it looked like. I measured it out to see what kind of height I would get in the loft with my 8-foot walls and sidewalls, and lowering the floor a little bit. I'm probably gonna have about 4.5 feet in the loft, and that's what my trusses are gonna look like. Those will be the trusses, and then there'll be a bunch of pieces that go in between them little brackets. I can screw them all together, and all my straight cuts fit together to make a gambrel roof. And I'll post a link in the description of where you can get this. If you're like me and you are not very good with carpentry, you can get an idea of how to make something like this easily. And it makes it so much easier. I have no woodworking skills at all, other than being able to operate a saw and cutting this wood up. I'm modifying this a little bit. I'm actually going to do 16 on center framing and rafters. And that's what my roof will look like. Maybe I can get a view this way. Well, thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps for somebody that is interested in building a shed like this. And hope it helps. Thank you.